Any mark in the middle where it was?
Come off that crack. 65 and 3/8. Sorry.
Yeah, it's out here.
I'm sorry. Should be. Yeah.
Very good shot, dog.
We'll say this is square, and we'll just use this line and go make your mark. Sorry. Yeah. What was it?
Nope, perfect, sir. Perfect.
Look at them paws, big paw doom dog. Okay. That is dude ass on it. Oh, I'm gonna do it.
There you go. Fine job, Enzo.
Just check the center.
Make sure it's good. Go from that other side because it's fine. Light off that right there.
That thing is in the way.
That's what I'm doing.
Do. Thank you.
Wrong. It looks cleaner, but I don't think it's right. But I don't think it mattered once everything was said and done. Use overall width dimensions from figure 1B and chalk a line is what we did.
And that'll be the outside feet there, it looks like. Well, it's a little bit different video, but the lift is there. Just gotta finish up wiring, fill it up with some fluid, and it'll be ready to lift. But it is late, and we gotta get home. We still got an hour and a half to get back home, but oh, it looks so much better. But anyway, I want to cut this one short for now, so see ya.